I dare you to comment the entire ABCs without getting interrupted by another person. I don't mean the whole ABCs in one comment. I mean like individual comments. Like A, B, C, D.
Boost Fidgets did it again. They sent me this huge package of fidgets. They sell some of the best and coolest fidgets on their website. And you can use the discount code FIDGETS for 10% off your purchase. Link in bio to shop. Let's start with the smaller stuff. First, we have 3 simple dimples and 1 triple dimple. Oh my goodness. These are super easy to pop and are really smooth on your hands. These are the easiest simple dimples to pop that I've ever felt. And I love how shiny they are. And I love the colors on this one. Next, we have these 2 snappers. These are the prettiest snappers I have ever seen. Look at the fun designs. These are super easy to pop. No way, dimple fidget spinners? The coolest things ever. Link in bio to order. The last thing is this awesome black pop-it bracelet. Hey guys! Lulu's Toy Shop on Etsy sent me more of her fidgets to show you guys. If you want to check out her shop, the link will be in my bio. And for 10% off your purchase, use the discount code SHARXFidgets. Her prices are already very affordable, but if you use this discount code, it'll be even cheaper. Now let's open all of the fidgets in this heart box. The first thing that I see is this mini pineapple poppet. And it also comes on this really high quality keychain. She also has other types of mini poppets on her shop as well. Next thing is this snake fidget toy. It's fun to move around in your hands and it's also very long. And the last thing that she included is this green simple dimple. Simple dimples are my favorite fidget toy, so let's see how it pops. Wait, that's so good. Usually these types of simple dimples are really hard to pop, but this one's super easy and loud. And again, it comes on a really high quality keychain. I would definitely recommend getting this. I've always wondered if Neatos can stick to the ceiling like globbles, so I'm going to test it in this video. First, let's pick out a few Neatos. Let's try a gumball Neato, maybe this blue color changing Neato, and a purple groovy glob Neato. These are the 3 Neatos I picked, so let's go wash them. Okay. Neatos aren't usually too sticky, so let's hope that at least one of these can stick to the ceiling. Okay, let's dry them now. Honestly, these are way stickier than I thought they were going to be. Let's start with the groovy glob. Oh my gosh, what? So it stayed for about 1 second, then it fell. Color changing Neato next. It's stuck. Last one is the bubblegum Neato. They both stuck. Update, these 2 fell. Fidgets I regret buying. First step is this water timer. I'm just not the biggest fan of this fidget and I don't really use it very much. It is cool to look at, but if I had known before, I probably wouldn't have bought this. The next fidget I regret buying is this puzzle ball. It's just a very loud fidget and it's very different in person than I thought it would be. When I saw videos about this, it looked way cooler, so that's why I bought it. It has a yellow sponge inside, but if you like puzzles, you might enjoy this fidget more than I do. Up next, I have these ASMR pods. You can find these at Walmart for $10 for a 2-pack, but they are just so expensive for what you get inside. I personally just don't think it's worth it. I actually do like the noises that they make, I just don't think that each of these pods is worth $5 each. Last fidgets I regret buying are these stress balls. And that's only because they're just really hard to squish. I would much rather have a Neato than a stress ball. Bye!
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
Hi guys! I saw somebody on my For You page make a DIY snapper out of a wacky track, so I wanted to try it. I have too many wacky tracks to use, but I think I'm going to start with the orange and blue one. So first I'm going to connect these 2 together. And now I'm going to make the plus sign shape with the wacky track. This is what it should look like. Now to lift up the sides of the wacky track. Now to test it out. This is so cool. I wish I had a snapper to compare this with, but I don't have one yet, but I really like this. Now I'm going to make the exact same thing, but with the green and blue wacky track. Here it is. And again, super cool. I would give these an 8.5 out of 10 because they are a little hard to squeeze. But if you have a wacky track, I would definitely recommend you trying this out. Bye!
I wonder what this link could possibly lead me to.
Washing all of my stress balls. They are so dirty right now, so let's just get straight into washing them. Now let's go fill up the sink with water. The sink is filled now, so I'm going to go get the stress balls and put them in the water. It is so full right now. And these are the last ones. Wow, my sink is literally full of stress balls. ASMR, I guess. You can't really tell on camera, but the water is so dirty. I think it's time to start drying them now. I just finished drying all of them, so let's put them back in the bin. All done. Hey guys, Ariana Slime Boutique was super kind and sent me some of their awesome slimes and fidgets that they sell on their Etsy shop. Their prices are super affordable, so if you do want to check out their shop, the link will be in my bio. Let's take everything out of the box. Oh my gosh, look at all this amazing stuff. Also, I love all of the heart packing peanuts. She included 2 extras baggies, and there is borax in case your slime does melt. I'm going to start off with opening all of the fidgets. Oh my gosh, everything looks so fun. This mochi was an extra, but I still wanted to include it. And I've never felt an acupressure ring, but I love it. Let's test out the poppet. Quiet side. Oh my gosh. I have an orange square poppet, but this one's so much better. I love how all of her slimes come with little add-ins. This is Shamrock Shake, and I believe it's a DIY clay slime. Oh my gosh. When you mix it together, it turns into a clay slime. One of my other favorites.